Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Missixty Peel and Stick is probably one of the most versatile and budget-friendly ways to refresh your living space, offering a quick and easy transformation for walls, furniture, and even appliances without the mess and expense of traditional wallpaper or paint. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color, a new texture, or a complete design overhaul to your home, these adhesive coverings provide a DIY-friendly solution that can be applied and removed with minimal effort, making them ideal for renters or anyone who loves to redecorate frequently. Number 5. Tiptopcarbon Wallpaper Smoothing Toolkit. Introducing the Tiptopcarbon Wallpaper Smoothing Toolkit, your essential companion for a flawless finish. This versatile kit simplifies wallpaper application, trimming, and various DIY projects. The large red squeegee is designed to smooth out creases and bubbles with ease. It's extremely helpful when working on large, flat surfaces, ensuring a seamless look. Our medium hard blue felt squeegee is simple to use and effectively prevents scratches. Enjoy a smooth, protected application every time. Achieve exact cuts with the lightweight aluminum handle knife, designed for a comfortable grip. It comes with extra blades for long-lasting use. This kit is perfect for applying wallpaper, contact paper, and peel and stick materials. It's also ideal for vinyl wraps, window tints, and glass films. From wallpaper to vinyl, this tool kit provides the versatility you need for professional results. Make your next project a breeze. What we like. This tool kit is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. If you're tackling wallpaper, vinyl wrap, or window tinting, its comprehensive set of tools ensures a smooth and precise finish. The squeegees effectively remove bubbles and prevent scratches, making your application look professional. What people say. The wallpaper is very easy to apply and repositionable. It has a realistic texture that looks like real wood. The adhesive is strong and holds well, but can be removed without damaging the wall. Number 4. Art 3D Premium Self-Adhesive Kitchen Backsplash Tiles. Introducing our premium self-adhesive tiles, perfect for your home renovation. Each sheet measures 12 by 12 inches, offering a convenient and stylish solution. These tiles feature an upgraded strong back glue, specifically designed for high moisture areas like your kitchen and shower. They are also ideal for adding a decorative touch to your fireplace. You can apply them to various non-raised surfaces, including cement walls, plywood, and gypsum. Even textured walls can be transformed with these versatile tiles. Experience a better three-dimensional effect thanks to the thickened top gel. This provides a more premium look compared to normal peel and stick tiles. Installation is incredibly simple, just peel and stick. There's no need for grout, glue, or special tools, making for a quick and mess-free upgrade. What we like. For a quick and stylish kitchen or bathroom upgrade, these tiles are ideal. If you desire a marble look without the hassle of grout and glue, this product is for you. Its upgraded strong back glue and thickened top gel provide a realistic 3D effect and durability for high moisture areas. What people say. The Missixty Peel and Stick wallpaper is a great option for renters because it is easy to apply and remove without damaging the walls. The quality of the Missixty Peel and Stick wallpaper is excellent, with a thick and durable material that looks like real wood. The Missixty Peel and Stick wallpaper comes in a variety of realistic wood grain patterns that can transform the look of any room. Number 3. HAOKHOME Boho Eucalyptus Leaf Peel and Stick Wallpaper. Transform your space with ease. This peel and stick wallpaper brings a touch of boho eucalyptus charm to any room. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the backing and stick it to your wall. No messy paste or water needed. Featuring a beautiful watercolor effect with sage green eucalyptus leaves, this design adds an elegant and attractive touch to your home. Made from textured vinyl with a matte finish, it's durable, waterproof, and can be easily removed and repositioned. Ideal for accent walls, backsplashes, cabinets, and more. Its versatility makes it a great DIY choice for renters and homeowners alike. The straight match pattern repeat makes aligning sections simple, even for beginners. Enjoy a seamless look with minimal effort. What we like. If you're looking to add a touch of elegant boho charm to your space, this wallpaper is a fantastic choice. Its watercolor eucalyptus leaf design is perfect for accent walls in nurseries, bedrooms, or living areas. Being removable and repositionable, it's an excellent option for renters or those who love to redecorate frequently. What people say. The Missixty Peel and Stick wallpaper has a realistic texture that mimics real wood grain, making it look very convincing. It's surprisingly thick and durable, which makes it easy to reposition without tearing. The adhesive is strong but doesn't leave residue when removed, which is great for renters. Number 2. ZGLAOJT Semi-Flush Mount 4 Light Chandelier. This semi-flush mount chandelier offers an elegant and rustic look, blending farmhouse charm with modern aesthetics. Its design creates a comfortable and contemporary ambience for any room. Featuring a sleek matte black finish, this fixture has a top plate diameter of 4.72 inches and a total height of 5.51 inches. It uses E26 base bulbs and is compatible with dimmers for adjustable lighting. This black flush mount light makes a thoughtful antique lighting decoration gift. It's ideal for house remodels, housewarmings, or any special occasion like birthdays and weddings. Its versatile design makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Use it to enhance the atmosphere in your bedroom, dining room, living room, study, or even hallways and balconies. We prioritize your experience and are committed to providing excellent after-sales support. If you have any questions, we will resolve them for you promptly. What we like. This semi-flush mount ceiling light offers a perfect blend of modern and rustic aesthetics. If you need stylish yet functional lighting for your dining room, bedroom, or living area, consider this fixture. Its design is ideal for rooms with lower ceilings, providing ample light without being obtrusive. What people say. The wallpaper is very easy to apply and reposition. It looks great and has a nice texture. The adhesion is strong, but it doesn't damage the walls when removed. Number 1. Shiny White Glossy Peel and Stick Wallpaper. Introducing our new glossy white wallpaper. It features reflective highlights for a beautiful finish and is incredibly easy to clean. Plus, it's thicker than average for superior durability. Applying this wallpaper couldn't be simpler. Just ensure the surface is clean, peel off the backing, and stick it onto any dry surface. You'll have a fresh new look in minutes. Worried about removal? Don't be. This contact paper is designed to be completely removable without damaging your furniture or leaving any sticky residue behind. Each roll measures 15.8 inches wide by 118 inches long, covering 12.9 square feet. It's made from high-quality PVC vinyl, perfect for countertops, cabinets, and furniture. We stand by the quality of our product. If you're not satisfied with the color or if any damage occurs during use, please contact us, and we'll send replacements immediately. What we like. For a sleek and modern update to your cabinets, countertops, or furniture, this glossy white wallpaper is a great solution. If you want a high-shine, easy-to-clean surface that's simple to apply and remove without damage, this is the product for you. It's perfect for refreshing kitchens or adding a polished look to any furniture piece. What people say. The Missixty Peel and Stick wallpaper is a great way to update your space without the commitment of traditional wallpaper. It's easy to apply and reposition, making it perfect for renters or anyone who likes to change their decor frequently. The quality is excellent, and it looks just like real wallpaper once applied. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.